Good morning and welcome to the education channel. Today we will discuss about lecture number 5 of weekly current affairs. The current affairs is related from 3 November 2025 to 9 November 2025. Between this time we will discuss today 50 MCQs and most important questions. The question of the day of today's lecture is, what was India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2025? You have to reply this question during the session. Your question is, what was India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2025? Your option is 125, 142, 150 and 136. What is the rank of India? Right? Now come to the question. Your first question is, recently with which country did India sign the Quantum Technology Cooperation Agreement 2025? Recently, with which country did India sign the Quantum Technology Cooperation Agreement 2025? Your option is France, Japan, Germany and Israel. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is Israel. Correct answer is Israel. Second question is, which new navigation satellite was successfully launched by ISRO on 3 November 2025? Right? New navigation satellite which has been launched by ISRO. What is the name? NVS-03. Navigation System 03. Next question is, what was India's rank in the recently released Global Climate Risk Index 2025? It's very important questions. India's position, India's rank in the Global Climate Risk Index 2025. India's rank is 7. The correct answer is 7. Next question, which Indian state launched the Green Hydrogen Mobility Mission in November 2025? Which Indian state launched the Green Hydrogen Mobility Mission in November 2025? Your option is Gujarat, Karnataka, Haryana and Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Gujarat. Gujarat has launched the Green Hydrogen Mobility Mission in November 2025. Next question is, which country presented the world's first AI audited budget in 2025? Which country presented the world's first AI audited budget in 2025? Your option is UK, Canada, Singapore and UAE. The correct answer is UAE. Question number 6. What is HIM Sentinel 2.0 system related to? What is HIM Sentinel 2.0 system related to? Your option is India-Nepal border security, glacier monitoring, anti-terror drone system, cyber security. The correct answer is glacier monitoring. Correct answer is glacier monitoring. Next question, recently, at which place India's first ocean thermal energy plant 2025 was started? At which place India's first ocean thermal energy plant 2025 was started? Your option is Kochi, Lakshadweep, Depression, Andaman. Correct answer is Andaman. Which Indian scientist received the UNESCO Science Award in November 2025? Right? Which Indian scientist received the UNESCO Science Award in November 2025? Jitendra Singh, Nageswar Rao, Reena Sinha and Samir Vaidya. Correct answer will be Reena Sinha. Next question, which state launched the first AI-enabled RTI system in 2025? AI-enabled RTI system in 2025. Right? Your option is Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Delhi. You have to select the state. Your correct answer will be Delhi. Recently, India won the 2026 presidency of which organization? Very important questions. Recently, India won the 2026 presidency of which organization? Right? WHO Executive Board, FATF extended the Financial Action Task Force, UN Statistical Commission, G77. The correct answer will be UN Statistical Commission. It is an agency of United Nations Organization. In 2025, India first proposed to which country to build Hyperloop technology corridor? Hyperloop technology corridor. India first proposed to which country to build Hyperloop technology corridor? Correct answer is Saudi Arabia. Correct answer is Saudi Arabia. Which ministry released Digital Agriculture Policy 2025? Very simple, and you can relate question from this option because the name is Digital Agriculture Policy 2025. So it may be Ministry of Agriculture. You can guess this, right? The correct answer will be Ministry of Agriculture. Which IIT established the first National Space Materials Research Hub 2025? Which IIT established the first National Space Materials Research Hub 2025? All of the options are related to IIT. IIT Kanpur, IIT Bombay, IIT Madras and IIT Hyderabad. The correct answer will be IIT Madras. Project Suraj, right? Project Suraj launched by India in 2025 is related to what? Project Suraj, is it solar weapon system or indigenous microchip? Is it AI based defense robots or is it solar powered trains? What is Project Suraj? So Project Suraj is AI based defense robots. AI based defense robots. Recently, with which country did India sign a mega pact on rare earth minerals? Rare earth minerals. Recently, with which country India signed a mega on rare earth minerals? Your option is Australia, Russia, Argentina and Brazil. The correct answer will be Australia. The correct answer will be Australia. Which Indian city topped the Urban Flood Resilience Index 2025? Right? Which Indian city topped the Urban Flood Resilience Index 2025? Correct answer is Pune. Next question. With which Indian state became the country's first drone forest patrolling unit? Drone forest patrolling unit in November 2025. Drone forest patrolling unit, Assam. Correct answer is Assam. Ocean Kavach 2025 is a joint military exercise of whom? Right? Ocean Kavach 2025 is a joint military exercise of whom? The correct answer is India and Sri Lanka. The joint exercise Ocean Kavach is a joint exercise of India and Sri Lanka. Which country recently implemented the world's first AI Judicial Assistant Act 2025? You have to select the country, right? Which country recently implemented the world's first AI Judicial Assistant Act 2025? The correct answer is Estonia. Correct answer is Estonia. In which state did India's largest EV battery recycling park start in November 2025? In which state did India's largest EV electric vehicle battery recycling park started in November 2025? Your option is Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra. So the correct answer will be Gujarat. Correct answer, Gujarat. Which state got the first place in Healthy India Index 2025? Healthy India Index 2025. Your option is Kerala, Himachal, Goa and Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Kerala. Right? Correct answer is Kerala. Healthy India Index 2025. So Kerala got the first rank in this index. With which country did India launch Blue Economy Innovation Fund 2025? Blue Economy Innovation Fund 2025. With which country did India launch? The correct answer will be Norway. Correct answer will be Norway. Which institute launched AI-based Parliamentary Research Assistant? PRA 25. Right? Your option is Niti Aayog, PIB, LBS, NAA, Lok Sabha Secretariat. Lal Bahadur Shastri Academy, PIB and Niti Aayog. The correct answer will be Lok Sabha Secretariat because it is very closely related to Parliamentary Research Assistant. Right? So the name is AI-based Parliamentary Research Assistant PRA 25. Right? Launched by Lok Sabha Secretariat. Bharat Shield platform launched in November 2025 is related to what? Blockchain cyber security. Correct answer is blockchain cyber security. Which ministry recently launched Women in STEM Mission 2025? Women in STEM Mission 2025. The correct answer is Ministry of Science. Correct answer is Ministry of. Which state launched India's first AI-powered Panchayat monitoring system in 2025? Which state launched India's first AI-powered Panchayat monitoring system in 2025? Your option is Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Tripura. Correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is. Which Indian received the Asia Leadership Prize in November 2025? Which Indian received the Asia Leadership Prize in November 2025? Correct answer is Anirudh Mishra. Anirudh Mishra is the correct answer. Which country launched Desert Solar Mission 2025? Very important questions. Desert Solar Mission 2025. Right? So your correct answer will be Saudi Arabia. Which Indian city won the UN Green Mobility Award 2025? Right? UN United Nations Green Mobility Award 2025. Your option is Jaipur, Chandigarh, Indore, and Nagpur. You can guess this. It's the best city. Chandigarh is the correct answer. India's first National Digital Border Grid 2025 was implemented on which border? India's first National Digital Border Grid 2025 was implemented on which border? India Pak, India Nepal, India Bangladesh, and India China. The correct answer will be India Bangladesh. What is the Starlink India Integration Project launched in November 2025 related to? Starlink India Integration Project. Starlink India Integration Project launched in November 2025 related to rural internet. What was India's rank in World Innovation Index 2025? What is the rank of India in World Innovation Index? World Innovation Index 2025. The correct answer will be 35. Right? 35th rank of India got. Which organization issued Sustainability Bonds India 2025? Which organization issued Sustainability Bonds India 2025? The correct answer is SEBI, Security and Exchange Board of India. PSC is a index, Bombay Stock Exchange, RBI, and Niti Aayog. You are already familiar for this. Which country announced the South Asian Quantum Alliance in November 2025? Which country announced the South Asian Quantum Alliance in November 2025? Correct answer is India. Correct answer is India. What is Mission Jal AI 2025 related to? Mission Jal AI 2025 related to climate-based water forecasting. Correct answer is climate-based water forecasting. With which country did India sign an MOU to take forward the 2030 solar partnership? With which country did India sign an MOU to take forward the 2030 solar partnership? Correct answer is United Arab Emirates. Correct answer is United Arab Emirates. Which airport of India became carbon negative airport 2025 in November 2025? Which airport of India became carbon negative airport 2025? Bengaluru. Correct answer is Bengaluru. Which new digital system was launched by RBI in November 2025? Which new digital system was launched by RBI in November 2025? Your option is UPI Lite Global, e-Rupee 2.0, CBDC Retail Auto Pay, Bharat Bill Pay 3.0. Correct answer is CBDC Retail Auto Pay. What is Project Garuda 2025? Project Garuda 2025 related to Indian Navy's drone system. Is it 6G network for civilian aviation? Is it AI surveillance for border security? Or is it indigenous missile program? What will be the correct answer? Can you guess this? The correct answer will be AI surveillance for border security. To which country did India export the first made in India hypersonic test engine in November 2025? To which country did India export the first made in India hypersonic test engine in November 2025? To which country? India exported to Philippines. The name of made in India hypersonic test engine, right? Hypersonic test engine. What was India's position in the Global Hunger Index 2025? Very important question. Global Hunger Index 2025. The position of India is 101. India's position is 101. Which state implemented climate smart farming 2025 policy? You have to select the state. Which state implemented climate smart farming 2025 policy? Correct answer will be Assam. Which country established Indo-Polar Research Corridor 2025 with India? Which country established Indo-Polar Research Corridor 2025 with India? Russia, Canada, Norway, USA. Correct answer will be Norway, right? With India. Which country became India's largest source of FDI? Largest source of FDI in November 2025. Also important questions. The correct answer will be Singapore. Is the largest source of FDI in India in November 2025. FDI means foreign direct investment. Which ministry launched Cyber Swachh Bharat 2025? Which ministry launched Cyber Swachh Bharat 2025? You have to select from Home Ministry, Ministry of EIT, MEITY, Ministry of Electronics and IT, Ministry of Defense and Ministry of Communications. The correct answer will be Ministry of Electronics and IT, Information Technology. Which Indian university established AI Ethics Center of Excellence in November 2025? IISc, Bengaluru. With which country did India launch the first digital health passport framework in 2025? United Kingdom, UK, like Britain. What was India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2025? This is also important question. India's rank in World Press Freedom Index 2025. So the correct answer will be 136. 136 position of. Which state launched the country's first AI district collector system in November 2025? State. Tell the name of a state, right? Which state launched the country's first? It is country's first AI district collector system in November 2025. The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. And question number 50. Which country hosted the G20 Summit 2025 in November 2025? The hosted country of G20 Summit in 2025 November. What is the name? Your option is Brazil, Saudi Arabia, Japan and Canada. The correct answer is Brazil. So these were the questions of lecture number 5th, right? Thank you so much for lecture. Thank you.